Square root of a number. Square root of a number x is the number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product. For example, 13 is the square root of 169, as 13 into 13 is 169. 21 is the square root of 441, as 21 into 21 is 441. Square root of a perfect square can be found by two methods. Number one, by prime factorization method. For example, to find the square root of 1156, split it into prime factors and take one factor out of every two identical factors. For example, square root of 1156 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 17 into 17 is equal to 2 into 17, that is 34. By number 2, by division method. To find the square root by this method, we pair the number into pairs starting from the units digit and then proceed as under. For example, we want to find out the square root of 14641. We will make pairs of 1 and 4, 6 and 4, and leave one unpaired as no other digit is available. Now we proceed like 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. We take down 46, double the quotient which is 1, that is make it 2, then again it is divisible 2 times. 22 into 2 is 44, giving you the remainder as 2. Take down 41, making making the quotient double, that is 24. Divisible 1 times is giving the remainder as 0. Therefore 121 is the square root of 14641 by division method.
Okay.
Properties of square root. Number 1, if a and b are two real numbers, then square root of ab is equal to square root of a into square root of b when neither of them is 0. For example, square root of 121 into 144 is square root of 121 into square root of 144 is equal to 11 into 12. Number 2, if a and b are two real numbers, then square root of a divided by b is equal to square root of a divided by square root of b when b is not 0. For example, square root of 441 upon 1296 is square root of 441 divided by square root of 1296 is equal to 21 by 36, which may be simplified as 7 by 12. Square root of a fraction. Square root of a fraction is equal to square root of its numerator divided by square root of its denominator. For example, square root of 1225 divided by 1849 is equal to square root of 1225 divided by square root of 1449 is equal to 35 divided by 43. Square root of a decimal number. To find the square root of decimal number, we pair the number on the left and right of the decimal point. In case the last digit is left unpaired, we put a 0 to complete the pair. For example, to find the square root of 146.41, we proceed as under. We pair the last two decimal places and then we proceed to pair 6 and 4. Since 1 is left alone, we put a 0 to make the pair complete. Now proceed as usual and the square root is 12.1.